Xiaomi new version of compact Bluetooth speaker. Xiaomi is offering a particularly compact Bluetooth speaker in a new model variant that promises both decent audio quality and visual appeal. It also comes with protection against extreme weather conditions and is advertised as having a long battery life. Xiaomi's Bluetooth Speaker Mini is a mobile speaker, which, although not available in all markets, can be purchased as a direct import. Xiaomi is now launching another variant of the device in its home market of China, which does not differ in terms of specs, but rather comes in a different color, namely burgundy red. This rather dark variant of red is intended to be more visually appealing, but is still relatively discreet and not very bright. Practical features with a festive design. It delivers 360-degree sound using a 3-unit acoustic design with symmetrical full-range speakers, ensuring balanced audio for all-around listening. The speaker is built to withstand tough conditions with an IP67 rating, making it dust-proof and water-resistant. Ideal for outdoor activities, its 2,000 mAh battery provides up to 11 hours of playback on a single charge and fully recharges in just 1.8 hours, making it convenient for everyday use. The device supports Bluetooth 5.3 and NFC for quick and easy pairing, as well as seamless music sharing. Xiaomi's HyperOS Connect and the Media app allow for over-the-air updates and sound customization, giving users more control over their listening experience. The speaker also features customizable RGB lighting. The top light strip can be adjusted using the Media app, allowing users to set the mood for any occasion. Lighting effects and the sound display can be adjusted via a corresponding app, and OTA updates are also supported. The lighting indicates the current operating mode and battery levels. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.